Yes, Opal. Good morning. Hello. Kauklong also is here. And also Taro. Yes, Prim. And I don't know who's this one. Ah, Pong. Yes, Pong. Welcome, Pong. Okay, waiting for others. Taro, open it. You open your camera, Taro. Supercorn is coming also. Wow. Good. Who is Supercorn? Hello, Supercorn. Who are you? Supercorn, cornum, come. Sorry. Okay, Kauklong is here. Open Kauklong and Prim. I forgot already your face, Prim. Uh-oh. And Taro also, I forgot your face already. Okay. Okay, Kauklong is here. Thank you, Kauklong. Okay. How about Prim? You don't have plan to open your camera?
Teacher Milacel.
Yes, Taro.
I will use two account. I
Why?
will
Why
open
are you
camera.
going to use two accounts?
I will going to open camera on notebook.
Or notebook? And then how about others? You are going to what? Yes, Taro? Where are you, Taro? You're gone. Okay, Bube is here. Bube. Okay, class. Did you submit your work last time? How about Kauklong? Did you submit it? Kauklong?
Yes.
Yes, you did. Good job. Okay. What do you think is, oh, King is here. Good, good, King. You're here. Okay. Today we will have a new topic. What do you think is, oh, Pooh also is here. What do you think is our topic today? We finished already about lights. Shoken is coming. Okay, what do you think is our new topic this morning? It is plus 10. Plus 10 for those who can guess what is our new topic. Okay, can you guess what is our topic today?
Sun Earth System and Space Technology.
Okay, thank you so much. So meaning you check your line group, right?
Yeah, yes.
You're going to check your line group so you will know what is our topic this morning or today. Okay, it's correct. Our topic is sun. What is that? Sun, Earth, Moon system, and space technology. So what chapter is that, class, in your book? What chapter is that?
Chapter 8. Chapter 8.
It is chapter 8. Very good. So it is chapter 8. Is it clear? Look at the screen, please. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So it's clear. Okay. Sun, Earth, Moon system, and space technology. Okay, here. Okay, look at the picture. Can you describe the picture here? Oh, I put already the words here. Who's this one, class? He is
Isaac Newton. Sir,
okay.
Isaac Newton.
He is Isaac Newton. So Isaac Newton discovered the gravity, right? Or the gravitational force. So our topic today is about gravitational force. Okay, look at this one. Beside 8 planets, class, listen, okay? I will ask you a question later. Okay. Beside the 8 planets, there are many other objects that revolves around the sun. Okay. They are the asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. Okay, what is that again, class? What are they? What are the other objects that revolve around the sun? We have asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. What are those, class? We have 9 room 2, sorry. 9 room 2, we have asteroids. Okay,
Asteroid.
asteroids and meteoroids, comets, they are what they will call. What do we call them? They are other object that revolves also around the sun. So we have 8 planets. Can you enumerate the 8 planets we have in the solar system? 9 room 2. Can you enumerate or can you name? Okay, can you name the 8 planets we have in the solar system? Okay, Taro, just only Taro. Can you mention 4 of the 8? Yes. We have. You don't have that one in your book. Just recalling your knowledge. Okay. This question is for elementary. I think you know this. You know this. You're good in talking about solar system, right? So, can you mention just 4? We have 8 planets in the solar system, right? So I will let you to mention only 4 planets. Okay, can you remember? Or any volunteers there? How about Chukon? Yes.
Saturn,
Yes. Yes, Chukon. Can you mention the 8?
Saturn,
Okay, Saturn. What else?
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune,
Neptune, and
uh,
2 here is
I don't
given.
know.
Again, please. Again, please.
I forget.
You forgot it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this planet here, did you see this one, class? Look at the picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planets. Okay, can you name the first planet here? What is the smallest planet or nearest planet to the sun? Kauklong. This is the sun and the nearest planet. What do you call that? The nearest planet to the sun. What is that? Yes, Taro, are you listening, Taro? Yes, right? Okay. What is the first planet? Near to or nearest to the sun. We call it
Mercury.
Mercury. And the next we have, after Mercury, we have letter V. What planet starts with letter V?
Venus.
Venus. And then our Earth, our planet. What is that? Our planet. Where we stay. Mercury, Venus, and
Earth,
Earth. Yes. And then we have Mars and then Jupiter. Next to the Jupiter, we have Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, right? Okay. Maybe it's confusing. Taro, did you remember this one, Taro? Next to the Jupiter, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, and also the Neptune. Understand? Understand? Taro, wake up. We have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, the last and the farthest planets in the solar system is we call that Neptune. Okay, other object class, we have a asteroids and meteoroids and comets. Okay, look at this one where we can find the asteroids belt. Okay, asteroids belt found in between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, this one here is the asteroids class. This one here is we call the asteroids belt. Okay, find in or located between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. Okay, here is it. Next one, okay. Asteroids, or what is asteroids? Okay, asteroids is made up of rocks. Okay, remember, asteroids is made up of rock, minerals, and rare elements. Okay, Taro, can you read this one, please? This one, second dot.
More than
I cannot hear your voice, Taro.
more than one orbit in the
Okay, it's
asteroid.
okay, Taro. How about Tong? Yes, Tong, can you read this one?
Sure, you can hear my voice.
Taro, I cannot hear your voice.
Oh, why?
Maybe you have problem with your iPad. Okay, you have to adjust it. Okay, how about Shukon? Okay, Shukon, can you read this one, Shukon?
More than 100,000 orbit in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter.
Okay, there are 100,000 orbits in the asteroid belts between, okay, this one class is we call the asteroids belt. Okay, it's look like this class. Okay, rock. It is a rock. Okay, could collide with Earth, but probably won't. Okay, one asteroid's name Ceres. Okay, one asteroid's name is Ceres. Is a dwarf planet. It is a dwarf planet. Okay, moon. A few asteroids have okay moons. It has a few asteroids, okay, have moons. A few asteroids have moons. Okay, it is located to the, okay, this asteroids is located to the Earth, Mars, and between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, here, how about meteoroids? Okay, meteoroids lands on the rock or on the Earth as rock and dust. Okay, it will land on. Okay, it will land on to the Earth as rock or dust. Okay, and meteoroids go through the orbits of the Earth also. Okay, orbits the Earth, Venus, and Mars. Why not in Jupiter? Because Jupiter is a gas planet, right? And we have Venus, Mars, and Earth. They are a solid planet. Okay, solid planet. Okay, meaning most of them are made up of rock. Okay, meteoroids are made of stone, iron, and carbonaceous. Carbonaceous. Okay, meteoroids have the mass of a paper clip. Some can be as big as a meter and others the grain of salt. Okay, how to remember meteoroids? They can land on the earth as rock and dust. Okay, next we have comet. Did you see comet during nighttime? Yes? Okay, the comet is look like this. The comet is look like this. Okay, comet is made up of ice, gas, and dust. Okay, what is that, class? It is made up of ice, gas, and dust. Look at this one. It is icy gas or dust. Have a long tail. Okay, this one is we call the tail of the comet. Okay, reflects the light from the sun. Okay, they don't have light. They reflects the light from the sun. Okay, here class, we call it the coma. Okay, this one. Okay, the head is called the coma. Okay, they have a long tail and made up of ice, gas, and dust. Okay, remember for that comment. Okay, beyond Neptune class, okay, beyond Neptune, there is a ring of icy body known as Kuiper belt. Okay, that revolves around the sun. In this belt, there are there are five recognized dwarf planets are known as Pluto. Okay, remember what are those recognized dwarf planets? Okay, we have Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres, and Eris. Okay, what are those? What are those dwarf planets? Can you remember the dwarf planets? 5 dwarf planets. Anybody? We have? Okay. What are the dwarf planets? I forgot it. Again, we have 5. Okay, there are 5 recognized dwarf planets. Okay. How many? 5 recognized dwarf planets. Okay, are known as Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres, and Eris. Okay, can you name it again, class? What are those 5 recognized dwarf planets? Can you name it? Hello? Are you there? Nobody
Pluto,
answered. We have
Pluto,
Pluto. What else?
Amu, Meki, Aris, and Iris.
Iris. Ceres and Iris. Okay. How about Taro? Okay. Mention the 5. Mention the 5 recognized dwarf planets, Taro. Yes, Taro? There are 5, right? There are 5, Taro. You have problem in your mic, Taro. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, how about Shukon? Can you mention the 5 dwarf planets?
Elite, Elite,
Yes. Iris. What else?
Pluto,
Pluto.
uh,
Start with letter H. What is that? Start with letter H.
He, Lu, Mat,
Start with letter H.
uh,
Letter Haumea. Okay, how about start with letter M? It is?
Mercury,
Huh?
Mercury,
Mercury is not a dwarf planet. It is a small planet. Mercury is a small planet. The nearest planet to the sun. Okay, I'm talking about the dwarf planet. Okay, what are those dwarf planets? Okay, you say Pluto. Okay, and then Eris. Okay, what are those? There are 3 more. Okay, we have, start with letter H, Haumea. Letter M, it's not Mercury, it is Make, or Makemake. And then the last one is start with letter C. What is that? Talk long. Help Shukon, please. Start with letter C. Start with letter C. What is that? Uh-oh. Start with letter C, please. It is a series. Okay, again, we have, there are 5 recognized dwarf planets, also known as Pluto, Haumea or Haumea, Make, or Ceres, and Eris. Okay, there are 5. Don't forget this one, class. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. What is force, class? Force is any interaction that changes or tends to change the state of rest or of uniform motion or the shape and size of the body. Okay, force. Okay, what are the effect of force? Okay, the effect of force is can change the shape and also the size of the body. Okay, like for example, what is this, class? It is a, hello, what is this?
paper,
It is a tissue, right? Okay, what is the shape of this tissue, class? What is the shape of this tissue? It is a square, triangle, or heart. Hello? Or this one. What is the shape of this book?
Square.
Are you sure square? If you're talking about square, both sides are the same, are equal, but this one is not equal. Okay, not equal. So what shape is this? Is it square, triangle,
Rectangle.
rectangle? Yes. Okay, it stayed here. Okay, it changed the shape and size, right? So if we're going to apply our force there, so what will happen to the book? I roll the book, so it changed the shape, right? It changed the shape of an object. Okay, that is the effect of force. What else? Okay. Sorry, Kat. I have cough. Okay. It is also called a vector quantity. Class, force is it is called also a vector quantity as it has both magnitude and direction. Okay, did you remember this topic, class? When you were grade 8, Pauklong and Shukpon and Tara is very good for this topic. Did you remember this topic when you were grade 8 about vector quantity and oh, you didn't remember scalar quantity. Oh, you forgot it, Taro. Okay, scalar quantity as it has both magnitude and direction. So, next one. Okay, what is a unit of force? What is the is a unit of force, class? Nobody answer. Hello? I will ask Opal. Hello, Opal. What is the SI unit of force? It is? What's the answer? I underline the words here, Opal. What is the SI unit of force? Okay, how about pull? How about pull? Yes, pull. What is the SI unit of force?
Nami,
It is
Newton,
Newton. Okay, there is a unit of force is we called it a Newton, and its CGS unit we called it dyne. Okay, what is dyne? It is 1 Newton to the equals 10 to the power of 5 dyne. Okay, there are examples of, we have here examples of forces, class. Examples, we have number 1. What is that, please? Can you read it? Number 1 is we have
You know what?
okay, number 2. What is number 2?
Gravitational force.
Okay, gravitational force. And then number 3. What is number 3 here? We have static force.
Electrostatic force.
Okay, number 4.
Magnetic force.
Okay, magnetic force. Okay, these are the examples of forces. We have frictional force, gravitational force, and electrostatic electrostatic force and magnetic force. So now we will tackle gravitational force first. Okay. Gravitational force is the force of attraction. Okay, remember, gravitational force, it is a force of attraction between two bodies due to their masses. Okay, again, gravitational force is the force of attraction between any two bodies due to their masses. Okay, that is a gravitational force. Okay, look at this one. Do you know who is Sir Isaac Newton, class? Yes, Kauklong, do you know Sir Isaac Newton or Isaac Newton? Do you know him? Yes or no? Yes, Taro, maybe Taro knows this. Yeah. Yeah, you know it. But you have problem in your mic, right? You have to fix it, okay? Okay, Kauklong, I know Kauklong wants to answer. Yes, Kauklong?
The first person,
Yes. Who is Isaac Newton? He is a
first person who fly up
first person who... Go ahead, go ahead. Your answer is correct. Don't be shy. Kauklong. The first person who
who found
found out
gravity.
gravity. Okay, that's correct. Don't be shy. Okay, your idea is correct. Okay, Sir Isaac Newton, he is from England, right? He's from England. He was the first person to say that every object in this universe attract every other object with a force called gravitational force. Okay, he is the one who find out about gravity. Okay, so now here are more things about Newton. Okay, he is English physicist and mathematician. Okay, most his three basic, okay, for his three basic law of gravity. Okay, was one of the great minds of the 17th century. Okay, science. He is also developed the theories on white light. Okay, theories on white light, light particles, and also the calculus. Okay, this one. He's the one who developed the theories on white light particles, and also the calculus. Okay, quick facts about him. He is raised in family or farming family. Okay, here is it. And then again, he discovered about the gravity by observing the tree. What kind of tree is that, class? What kind of tree is that? It is a apple tree. Okay. And he is the one also who designed the reflecting telescope. Okay, he is the one designed the reflecting telescope. And he's also a British royal mint master and also never married. Oh my God, never married. Okay, here is it. Okay, we have the quote. He has a quote here. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Okay, remember this one, please. Okay, if you have your phones there, take a photo for this. I will ask soon for this. The quotes of Isaac Newton. Okay, the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a photo for that. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Okay, we have here. Okay, here. There is a Newton's law of gravitation state that, okay, this one, class, is the answer on page, what is that? Page 92, number, okay, page 92, What number is that? It is number 2. Okay, this one is the answer for number 2. Question number 2. What does Newton's laws of universal gravitation state? Okay, state that, okay, every object in the universe attract every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. Okay, like for example, this one class, look at this. This one is, we call the equations to represent the, this one class here. This one is the equation to represent the, what is that? Represent the Newton's law. Okay, we have here F, okay, equals G, and then M1 times M2 and over D2, or we can put it there also R2. Okay, this is the equation to represent the Newton's law. Okay, here, okay, where F is stands for the gravitational force between the two objects. Okay, it is the gravitational force between the two objects. Okay, G here stands for gravitational constants, which is 6.67 times 10 to the power negative 11 meter cube. Kg to the power negative 1 and second to the power negative 2. Okay, M1 meaning that one is the mass of the first object. Okay, M2, it is the mass of the second object's class. And then R or D, it is represent as the distance between the object. Between the object, this one, mass and M1 and M2. Okay. Okay, please go to or open your book to page 92, class 8.1. Okay, please everybody open your book to page 92. 92. Okay. Okay, we have here, just write the date today. Okay, this one should be erased just 22nd. Okay, 22 or 22nd September 2021. Okay, write your name here. Okay, under the date. Okay, the first question, Kauklong, what is that, Kauklong, please?
Guided a planet and they keep what other body revolves around the sun.
Okay, beside 8 planets and their satellites, what other bodies revolves around the sun? Yes, who wants to answer? Hurry up. We have 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Who knows the answer? Uh-oh. Hurry up. Shukon is not here. Okay, Shukon, yes? Anybody, Shukon or other? Prim or Pung or Opal, you know the answer? Beside 8 Yes, Shukon? What are other bodies, planets, or other bodies revolves around the sun?
Ma, Earth,
Beside 8 planets. So if you are going to say Earth and Mars, they belong to the 8 planets, right? Belong to the 8 planets. So do not mention it. Do not mention the 8 planets. They are asking Pluto. What else?
Eris,
Eris. And, okay, we called it the dwarf planet. How about asteroids? Okay, the answer here is asteroids, comets, and meteoroids and object in the Kuiper belt. What are those Kuiper belt? Okay, beyond the Neptune, we have there a Pluto, Haumea, and Makemake, and we have another one that found near the asteroids belt. We call it Ceres. Okay, Ceres also. Okay, and also the Eris. Okay, letter B. You can read the letter B questions there. Letter B. Pong. Letter B question. Can you read it? You're not participating today. Okay, Prim. Okay, Prim. Can you read this one? What?
What keep them revolving around the sun and not
Floating.
floating away into space?
Okay, thank you so much. What keeps them revolving around the sun and not floating away in the space? So what's the answer? What keeps them revolving around the sun? Okay, and not floating away into space. Like for us, what keeps us on the ground? Why we can stay like this? Why we can sit like this? Because of without this class, you are floating in the air. So what is that? We call that
Gravity.
gravity or
Gravitational force.
okay, it is gravitational force. Okay, next number 2. Okay, what does Newton's law of universal gravitation state? It state that, what is that? Did you remember? Kauklong? I told you, Kauklong, I told you this one is the answer for number 2. Okay, what does Newton's law of universal gravitation state? It state that, okay, this one is state that every object in the universe attract every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their center. Okay, if you have your phones there, please take a photo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next question there. What is the next question? What's the next question there, class? Can you help me to read? Class, what is the next question? Letter B there. Okay, we have write the equations to represent Newton's law of universal gravitation. Okay, what is that? It is F equals G M1 times M2 over D2 or R2. Okay, did you remember? Okay, here is it. Okay, the answer for letter B, number 2, is this one. Okay, F equals G M1 times M2 over R2. Okay, stop share. Okay, that's all for this morning, class. And please don't forget to submit. Okay, don't forget to submit this task today. Okay, thank you so much, 9/2, and see you next week. See you next week, class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Hi, Opal.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, everyone. Say what? Tong King. King also is here. Thank you so much and see you next week again.